I'm Jason Pattison. I'm the founder of Busy Builders Inc. and this is my Vice President of Product Development.
Caden Pattison!
Caden would always ask me why Daddy has to go to work, and I thought it would be fun to start a little business and show Caden how to run a business, what work is, and maybe we can have some fun together along the way. So I started by asking her what her two favorite things to buy are.
Fidget toys and blind bags!
Then we had a little brainstorm session, talked about what we liked about each thing and what would make it more fun, what you would change if she could. And we decided it would be fun to have a fidget toy that you could customize the way you want it to be, use the pieces and the colors that best suited your fidget needs. And if they came in blind bags, so you knew that you were going to get a fidget toy, but not exactly what it was. Then you could collect different pieces, you could trade with your friends, and it would just be a fun game. So we came up with Busy Builders. So you start with a busy block, and each piece is on its own plug. We have joysticks, buttons, clickers, on-off switches, keychain rings so you can hang them from your backpack, LED lights, ball bearing spinner wheels. Whatever you like to fidget with, you can build it. So far we have 9 different Busy Builder pieces, 7 different colors, and adapter plugs for joining multiple blocks together, so the possibilities are endless. So as of right now, we have our 3D printed prototype ready to go. The molds are being made, and in 3 weeks we will have 500,000 pieces on their way here, so we will have plenty of inventory to fill orders for anyone that chooses to support us. The reason for this Kickstarter campaign is to help us try and get into retail stores. The money will be used for additional inventory, point of sale displays, and we have lots of ideas for new pieces so we can continue to offer more ways to have fun with your Busy Builder blocks. So, thank you for your time. For those of you that choose to support us, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.